type of beams depends on condition. Based on support conditions. Based on construction materials. Based on cross-section shapes. Based on geometry. Curved beams. Curved beams in plan are used to support the curved floors which in buildings, balconies, curved ramps, halls, circular reservoirs and others that are similar structure to it. In a curved beam, the center of the gravity of the loads acting normal to the plane of the curvature will lies outside of the line joining to its support. Type of curved beams on the basis of initial curvature. Beams with a small initial curvature. Beams with a large initial curvature.
Effect on structure in a curved beam. When forces and moments are applied to curved beam, a number of effects not present with straight member need to be considered. Different effects must be considered if the member is curved in elevation, or curved in plan. The physical process of producing a curved member is generally known as bending. Figure 1.1 shows a slice of the same section, in which the slice is cut parallel to the web between the planes AA and BB. Due to the direct stresses, the forces at the end of these slices are not in equilibrium because they are inclined.
The difference in curved beams and straight beams. Straight beam testing is generally employed to find cracks or delamination parallel to the surface of a test piece, as well as voids and porosity. It may use contact, delay line, dual element, or immersion transducers, all of which launch longitudinal waves on a straight path into the test piece. Common applications include testing plates, bars, forgings, and castings, as well as bolts and hanger pins and similar parts that can crack parallel to an accessible surface. Straight beam testing is also commonly employed in testing fiberglass and composites. Figure below shows the example of curved beam and straight beam. Curved beams are known to be more effective than straight beams in transporting loads. Bending, shear and membrane action affects the transfer within the curved beam. This is especially important in the study of originally curved beams. In addition to engineering design, architectural design represents each of the variables in the equation for a successful design solution. The architectural aspect of the curved beam design ensures an ideal appearance and functionality. A well-designed design produces an efficient solution for a performance. Theoretical studies. Concerning the curved beam, the definition could be a bar that limited by round circular sections. An assortment of a geometric shape is made by the movement in an exceeding space of figure called the cross-section of the bar. A differentiation is framed between a curved beam with a proceeding with a cross-section area and with a variable cross-segment and between a plane bar and a three-dimensional beam. For the bending moment in the curved beam, the bending stress instigated in within fiber watches out for elastic pressure while the outside of the fiber will in a general pack. At that point, if the segment is symmetric, which is round, or the square shape high-type section, the maximum bending stress will inside the fiber. If the areas are not unsymmetrical, at that point, the most extreme twisting pressure might be watched either inside the beam or at the outside.
Audio Hub.
Previous experimental studies. The cross-section has an axis of symmetry in the plane of symmetry. Plane cross-sections remain plane after bending. The modulus of elasticity is same in tension as in compression. Conclusion. A curved beam is a beam that bounded by circular arcs, and it is used to give support to the buildings such as balconies and others. From this study, we can conclude that we get to know more about the curved beam, such as what is curved beams, the types of curved beam and its function based on the condition, the differences between the curved beam and straight beam, and also more about the common thing that occurs on curved beams as well as the applications of the curved beams. Thank you.